Hello, my name is Sonia, and I currently live in Washington State. So that's about 3 hours behind those who live in Pennsylvania. This is going to be my fourth class at Widener, and I would say that so far of the classes that I've taken, the human behavior class is probably my favorite. There was a particular assignment in that class that we had to find an older adult and kind of do an interview process and ask them how they feel that they have succeeded or haven't succeeded in their life and where they think they're at. So that was kind of a cool project that we had to do. Um, as for me personally, I am a substance use disorder counselor. So basically, I just counsel those who have a substance use disorder and try to help them cease use. I work at a methadone clinic, so we kind of talk about methadone and Suboxone and ways that it can aid in cessation. Um, and I would say, well, and then I also worked as a case manager at the local jail with the same company. But with coronavirus, I was forced to start working from home. So the case management aspect was kind of like looking for housing for those who were going to be released soon, and then helping them get transferred from the jail to our agency to continue services at our agency. So it was it was a grant thing. Um, as for this class, I would say that I'm pretty excited to learn about different policies within each legislative branch. I don't really have much background in that or extensive history by any means, so that'll definitely be something interesting to learn about. Yeah.